Now take a look at our prediction for the day on gold. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at this trend on gold. So before we take a trade, right, we need to understand what the trend is. First and first, we need to know what the trend is. As you can see right here, our food trend is what? An uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move. Market is very much clearly bullish, right? Trending to the upside. Now, guys, take a look at this moment right here. Market eventually was able to give us a multiple rejection right here. You can see the double bottom that market did give us, right? Then it push up. Now, market was able to give us a pullback right here, and then one more push up was made, which is a new higher high, right? Now, market has eventually given us a pullback, which has now serves as an equal higher low for us. So with this higher low, we cannot take this to be our support level, which is the rejection zone. So with this moment, we should expect market to give us one more push up that will form bullish, that will give us bullish, right? So this is to tell you that for this Thursday, we should see gold give us a bullish move for it. Now, will there be changes to this prediction that we just did? As you know, our markets and our buyers should always be flexible. Markets change every time, right? If in case there will be changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I give you guys the update and I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like and share, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.